How's it going out there, gang, and welcome back for another Tiny More Tuesday. Today we're going to be looking at the Duke Ellington classic C Jam Blues. This was recorded by Tiny More when he was with Billy Jack Wills in his Western Swing Band in the early 1950s, and I thought this would be a great way to look at my threefold approach to learning jazz repertoire. Today's lesson we're going to focus solely on step one of that threefold approach, learning the melody. So there are three different iterations of the melody that I've presented here in today's lesson. The first one is just a simple interpretation of the melody that's based upon Tiny and Vance's melody that they play on the Billy Jack recording. The second iteration of the melody in today's lesson is Tiny's melody that he plays with a harmony part that's based on Vance Terry's steel guitar part. And then the third iteration of the melody today is my own creation. The first mandolin part involves double stops, so if you're playing solo, you can just play this one by yourself and have a really neat harmonized melody. And then the second part in that third version of the melody is just another harmony part that you can play on top of that first part. Alright, before we go ahead and dive into the breakdown for this lesson, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to this channel and liking this video, that'll keep more Tiny More Tuesdays headed your way in the future. And also, don't forget to head to btlmusicnotes.com/learn for your free PDF of the tablature and sheet music. Alright folks, let's go ahead and dive in.